People love to skip travel insurance because it sounds boring, unnecessary, and honestly like a waste of money. But let me tell you something real. That decision can cost you thousands of dollars in just one bad moment. Everyone thinks accidents only happen to other people until they land in another country and suddenly feel sick, get injured, or need emergency help, and that's when reality hits hard. In the USA and Europe, healthcare is not cheap at all. Even a simple emergency room visit can shock you with a bill that looks fake but is very real. Imagine enjoying your trip and suddenly ending up in a hospital bed, confused, stressed, and then someone hands you a bill worth more than your entire vacation budget. That's not bad luck, that's bad planning, and travel insurance exists exactly to protect you from moments like this. Travel insurance is not just paperwork, it's financial protection, medical backup, and peace of mind when you're far away from home. Most travelers make the same mistake. They either don't buy insurance at all, or they buy the cheapest plan without understanding what it actually covers. Cheap insurance looks good on the screen, but when something goes wrong, that cheap plan suddenly disappears with excuses, exclusions, and rejected claims. Real insurance means coverage that actually works when you need it, not when it's convenient for the company. Good travel insurance covers medical emergencies, hospital stays, ambulance services, trip cancellations, flight delays, and sometimes even emergency evacuation. In countries like the USA, an ambulance ride alone can cost more than a round-trip flight ticket. And without insurance, you pay every dollar yourself. Europe may feel safer, but medical costs there are also very high for non-residents, especially without proper coverage. Now, think about students studying abroad, digital nomads working remotely, or expats living overseas. Insurance is not optional for them. It's survival. One illness, one accident, or one unexpected situation can destroy months or even years of savings if you're not covered properly. Many visas, especially Schengen visas, actually require proof of travel insurance before approval, and that alone should tell you how important it is. But here's the problem. Most people buy insurance just to show documents, not to actually stay protected. That mindset is dangerous because insurance should be chosen for coverage, not just for visa stamps. A smart traveler always checks what the policy covers, how claims work, and whether real hospitals accept that insurance. Some insurance companies look professional online, but disappear when you actually try to contact them during an emergency. That's why provider reputation matters more than fancy marketing or cheap prices. Trusted international providers offer 24/7 support, English-speaking assistance, and real hospital networks across different countries. Another mistake people make is ignoring exclusions, especially pre-existing conditions. Mental health coverage or emergency evacuation rules. These details may feel boring, but during a real emergency, they decide whether your claim gets approved or rejected. Imagine calling your insurance company during a crisis and hearing that your situation is not covered because of one hidden line in the policy. That moment hurts more than the hospital bill itself. Smart travelers prepare before they fly, not after something goes wrong. They save digital copies of their insurance, emergency numbers, and policy details on their phone. They also inform someone they trust about their insurance, just in case things go really bad. Insurance is not fear, it's freedom, because when you're covered, you travel with confidence instead of anxiety. You enjoy your trip knowing that one bad day, one tea, destroy your finances or your future plans. Think about it. You spend thousands on flights, hotels, and experiences, but hesitate to spend a little on protection. That logic never makes sense, especially when the risk is so high. Travel insurance is not about expecting problems, it's about being ready for them. The smartest travelers don't gamble with their health or money. They understand that accidents don't ask for permission. They happen anytime, anywhere, to anywhere. So before your next flight, ask yourself one honest question. Are you really okay risking thousands of dollars just to save a few bucks today? If the answer is no, then insurance is not optional for you. It's necessary, it's smart, and it's responsible. Subscribe to Global Policy Guide for real, nonsense advice on travel, insurance, and international protection. Check the links in the description for trusted global insurance providers. Travel smart, stay protected, and never learn this lesson the hard way.